What noise does a fox make? Foxes are elegant, cunning creatures that have been adored by people for thousands of years and are located all over the world. There are numerous varieties of foxes, including the gray fox in America, the red fox in England, and the Arctic fox in the northern hemisphere. But what noise do they create is an often asked subject. Have you ever heard one? For many years, the enigma surrounding the sound of a fox has permeated popular culture, as seen in works like Ylvis' 2013 song What Does the Fox Say? Where did foxes evolve from? Given that foxes and dogs have a close genetic relationship, they can also bark. They exhibit several characteristics in common with dogs, such as waving their tails in happiness or excitement and snarling in response to threats. In addition to occasionally barking, foxes can also howl like wolves on occasion. But they also possess certain distinctive qualities. Their scream or cry is one of these. Do all foxes make the same sounds? The majority of foxes will bark to communicate, and only rarely will they scream or weep. The red fox has the highest pitch of all the fox breeds, with others having lower pitches. This creepy sound is frequently misinterpreted for people calling out for aid. The fox scream has long been a source of wonder due to its resemblance to human cries. Are they crying for help? This particular call is employed differently by male and female foxes, and depending on whether a male or female fox is projecting it, it may be called a cry or a scream. When they feel threatened by predators or rival males for mating, males will scream instead of calling as a display of hostility. Once he has found a mate, the male fox will yell to scare off other foxes and mark his territory. Because foxes hold their cry for longer than dogs do, it is referred to as a scream rather than a bark. Although the fox scream resembles a human distress call, foxes actually make that sound for a completely opposite cause. Why do female foxes cry? The female fox's call is compared to a cry because it sounds like a shrieking human. This is typically due to the cry itself being frequently held for longer, much like howling. However, during mating, foxes of both sexes produce the sounds. The female fox will cry to indicate that she is looking for a spouse, as opposed to males who howl for defense. She can be heard from a distance because of the howl-like quality of her cry and its high pitch and prolonged duration. Both foxes frequently continue to cry or scream during the mating procedure once they have a mating partner. It aids them in fending off rivalry. Why is the fox cry associated with being scary? Because foxes are nocturnal animals, you will probably hear them at night, which makes their howl even more terrifying. Due to their ability to scavenge food from trash cans, foxes frequently reside in urban environments and are thus frequently seen close to where people can hear them. The human misunderstanding is to blame for the mystique surrounding the fox's howls and screams. Foxes can be found all across the planet, from North America to Scandinavia and Africa, and they will likely coexist with humans for a very long time. Now you know what noise the fox makes. You can trick your friends during a spooky winter evening.